This has been Independent Chick, and I'm your host, Dana Foster. Thanks so much for watching us, and be sure to like us on Facebook at Independent Chick, and follow us on Twitter and Instagram at IC_strength. Here's Kendra K with It Was on Independent Chick.
Thought that you were just a boy with a sweet smile, a summer crush, little fun for a little while. But this feeling never ever went out of style. It keeps hanging on. Thought that you were long gone in my rear view, but now I see you out in front and it's a clear view. I didn't even think I was that into you, but I was so wrong. It wasn't supposed to be like this. Wasn't supposed to miss your kiss. Wasn't supposed to be this hard. No, I didn't see it coming when I left. I didn't think I'd have regret. I thought I could just forget, 'cause it wasn't supposed to be love, but it was. I didn't think it was gonna be a big deal. I didn't know how it was gonna make me feel. I guess I never had anything that real like that before. No, it wasn't just a game I was playing. I didn't know the price my heart would be paying. I can't believe I'm saying what I'm saying, but I want more. It wasn't supposed to be like this. Wasn't supposed to miss your kiss. Wasn't supposed to be this hard. No, I didn't see it coming when I left. I didn't think I'd have regret. I thought I could just forget, 'cause it wasn't supposed to be love, but it was. Now I'm standing at your front door, frozen in time, hoping for a chance and a way to rewind, baby, to a way to just get back to when you were mine. 'Cause it wasn't supposed to be like this. Wasn't supposed to miss your kiss. Wasn't supposed to be this hard. Not so